Here's another D&D trap encounter. This one involving Kobalds. Kobolds are known to be natural tunnelers or builders. They often riddle their lairs with traps and tend to believe in strength in numbers. Kobolds have an AC of 12 and 5 hit points. Their challenge rating is 1/8. They have a unique ability called Pack Tactic, where they get advantage on attack rolls if allies are within 5 feet of their enemy. So let's set the stage. The players have made their way down into a dungeon. Describe the first room that they find as incredibly hot. As the party slowly uncovers the room, standing before a door is a single kobold. Describe this kobold as holding a plethora of gems in his hands and looking astonished the party is there. The kobold will immediately turn tail and escape into the next room. When the party inevitably runs into the room, describe the new room as having 3 notable features. First being, the room is incredibly hot in here. Second, stalactites are stuck to the ceiling of this room. And finally, at the end of this room are 2 kobolds and a ballista. Make it apparent to the party that the kobolds are speaking in Draconic to them. Players who can't speak Draconic will make a DC 10 insight check to see what they're saying. Anyone who can understand the kobolds will realize that they are mocking the players for their lack of wealth. If the party attacks the kobolds or rushes forward into the center of the room, this is where the trap begins. The ballista will fire, but not at the party. Instead, it will fire at the stalactites on the ceiling. Describe the stalactites as plummeting down towards the players. Players will make a dexterity saving throw of 15 or higher. Players hit by the stalactites will take 1d6 piercing damage and 1d6 bludgeoning damage. On a success, they will take half damage. Additionally, all stalactites will begin to crack the floor beneath the players. This will reveal hot coals beneath the center of the room. We'll use Alchemist Fire under improvised weapons to describe the damage to the players, where the players will take 1d4 fire damage on the start of each of their turns, if they remain in the fiery coals. Additionally, small passages to the side of the party will be opened by kobold. The kobolds will make range attacks with slings and bows to the party while they're in the coals. Fighting a kobold 1v1 would be a simple task for the party, but their layered traps set them apart from other monsters. If you like this type of content, like and follow for more D&D tips and tricks.